Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Thanks a lot for always clicking to my videos, and I really want to thank you all for the support you showed me on my previous video. May God just bless you all. For those who are new here, my name is Nyaga, and I do African village videos. I do travel, cooking, and so many things. So the more you stay here, the more you subscribe to my channel, the more you like my videos and comment, the more you'll get to know what really happens here. So today it's a very bright new day, and as you can see, the sun is out. Oh my goodness. Let me know how the weather is from where you're watching from, because as you can see, it's too hot. So that's my shower water that I've just placed it there so that the sun can warm it. Next, I will head over to cut a stick which I'll use to brush my teeth. It's very early in the morning, and for me, I prefer fresh breath every day of my life. Have I mentioned what we are doing today? I don't know if I've mentioned, but if at all, let me repeat. Today I want to share with you how I do my morning routine, and together with the morning routine, I will share with you how we do take shower from outside, how we brush our teeth, what we use to brush our teeth. And as you can see, this what have cut. And you don't just cut any tree. We have trees that are specifically for brushing our teeth, and they give you a very fresh breath, which I prefer a lot. But then in the morning, I love it when I meet people who have fresh breath. Like when you are talking, I get to feel that fresh breath. But we have people who don't care, by the way. You can imagine in the morning you are speaking to someone and you feel that bad smell. Me, I hate that. You'd rather fart other than giving me that filthy breath. So as my water stays out here, I will leave it here till it's warm enough. And as you can see, by the way, let me show you around how the place is looking. And it's 7 a.m. East African time. And as you can see, the sun is out, but the good thing, it's so windy. And God knows how to balance these things. It's sunny and windy at the same time. So to brush my teeth, I will pick the stick that I just cut, chew it a little bit, then use some salt to rub my teeth or brush my teeth. And this is basically how we do it. Let me know how you do it in your village, because this is our way of brushing teeth in my village or in my country, Kenya. So to do this, you don't really need water. You just use the stick, your saliva and salt, and you're sorted. After I finish brushing my teeth, I'll pick the water that I had put in the sun to warm. Then I'll go ahead and take some quick showers so that I start my day. For today, I have someone who is assisting me in sweeping and doing some of the chores. That's where you can see at least I'm this slow and relaxed. For my shower, this is the soap that I use. This is a bar soap, and this is my face towel. Look at this. Wow. If you've ever used this is a sack that we cut. Then the more you use it, the more it becomes soft day by day, and it has such a nice feeling. Next, I have this stone which I use for scrubbing my legs, and the scarf I'm holding is for tying my hair. Look at this. This is my summer hairstyle, and I love it so much. So immediately after I finish wrapping my head, I'll go ahead and start taking shower. And as you can see, I'm not stepping on mchanga or sand. I've laid some green banana leaves so that at least my soap together with my face towel and also my shoes don't get sand. Oh my God, almost falling. So the first thing to do is to wash my face. I told you this sack is as smooth as a sponge. If you've ever used this, I know you can understand what I mean. Nowadays in my country, Kenya, water sources are becoming dry day by day, and that's why you can see these are around 4 jugs of water. Before I used to shower with this basin when it was full, but nowadays I'm measuring 4 good jugs. And when I take shower in the morning, again I'll take shower in the evening, and that's all. I know you can see how shiny I'm becoming, and I love it so much. It's such a nice feeling when you start the day with a very nice shower. And if it were not for the video, I would have undressed completely, and it takes me less than 20 minutes to finish up with this. We call a naked person Zambali, and you can tell us on the comment box, by the way, how you call someone who is naked in your mother tongue or your local language. And this me trying to hurry up so that at least I don't take much here. I told you, as an African girl, we have so many chores during the day. So remember, here in the village, most of the times we are working outside in the sand, and we do a lot of things that involves us walking. And that's why anytime you take shower, you should use this stone to rub your skin so that at least you remove the dead skin, and also to keep your legs fit. To do is to wash my shoes, because there's no way you can be clean yet your shoes are dirty. That's why anytime you take shower, you must wash your shoes. And when it comes to washing the shoe, you make sure you use a different sack, because you can't mix the sack that you are taking shower with together with the shower. You can't use it to wash your shoes. So the only secret is to make sure you are using different colors of sacks, and this makes it easier to differentiate which one is used for which purpose. So the last thing now to do is to dry up myself. And as you can see, this weather is so giving and I'm loving it so much. This the leso, whatever I'm wrapping myself with, we call it it's leso. And it's the African icon for every African woman. Like you can't find an African woman without this leso. We use it for so many different different occasions, different uses. And that's why you can see I'm just wrapped out here. I'm basking out here, trying to dry up so that as I go in to dress up, I don't drip water. So it's the high time I will carry everything that I was using. That is my basin, my soap, my everything. But then I don't know if you guys know that goats eat soap. My goats, together with the cows, they don't spare my soap. So anytime I take shower, I get it back to the house, because if they find it out there, they will act on it. So this my lasso that I was using, I had to go and wash it because I need to use it in the evening, and that's how we survive here. Guys, thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate the support you're showing me, and in case you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, and may God bless you all. Bye.